Yes, sir. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, because in Africa, that's how they taught us to huh? Yeah. What was your question? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, until 12, like, that's my childhood growing up. So I know the table, yeah, back home, that's from I'm Ethiopian. So back home, that's the school taught us this. So I know that. That used to be the back of all of our books. So that I know. But when it comes to like after 12 is the okay. On top of my head, probably I need to revise it. That's it's I've been here for a while. Okay, yeah. Okay. I get it. Mhm. Mhm. Just revise it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. So so you know what? And like, can I tell you something? So I would know. I know, like, if on top of my head, if it's like I have to change it to a language because my memory works from my language, right? So I would say if he say so this times 6 times 6, which is so this times so this, I already know like the memory, which is 36, right? So any after that, I just add another six to it. It may take me a while, but I know how to multiply it when if I have to have paper, but I don't memorize it on top of my head. So you're saying to memorize? Mhm, mhm. I'll memorize it. Okay, I'll. You mean like my memory will come back? Because I used to memorize all of that, so my memory will come back. Okay, good. Oh, really? Okay, okay. 10 minutes, just okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay, good. Thank you. I'll do that. So yeah, fast to multiply faster. Okay. Multiple tables. Okay. We call them periodic not periodic table, but multiple table, right? So mhm. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So do you want me to do? The first one, I just divided into 50, right? 50. The easiest way is for me to divide it into 50. So which makes it no, no, in my head to get those one. That 50, you're talking about the shaded part. Give you the number of the shaded part, correct? What fraction of it? Okay. So 50, that's going to be give me a moment. I'm trying to do the calculation. Okay. Um, yeah. Yeah, numerator and numerator and denominator. Yeah. Okay. 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 Oh, it's a 1/6 then. 1/6 then. That oh, I'm thinking a much deeper instead of simplifying it. Okay. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/8. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3/4. If you're looking at the shaded part, yeah. Okay, good. I know. Okay, three shades and then one, two, three, three shades. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 3/8. 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 2/5. Mhm. هولت أردت هولت هولت أرى سدسمنت ولا صوص زدين I missed over 9, which is 5/9. Yeah. Mhm. Oh mhm. Oh my gosh, I hate word problem. Okay, let's do it. Let me okay. I have to like draw it out. Make it a number. Okay. A foot contains a circle. Yeah, yeah. Okay. 'A foot. 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 ' Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So if I put 12 over 5 over 12. I know. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I have to draw it out to okay. Makes sense now. That's gonna be 4 quarters is $1. So how many pennies? Or when you say cents, it's so 47 over. I know. I have a 15 years banking experience. I should know this. So this is how I think of it, right? It's not a dumb over smart on this. I always say quarters. 4 quarters makes $1, right? 10 cents, like 50 cent, 50, 10 cent, 10 cents of 50. If you count, how am I? What I don't know. Say? Hold on. No, 50. So there's, how about if I say 5 cents? Exactly. Uh-huh. And how about five? Yeah, but what do you consider cent? Right? 10 cents or 5 cents? Because there's 5 cents. The what? No. What I'm like, hold on. Let me explain it. Yeah. So I told that. No, I'm serious. Let me explain this so I can map it on my head. So there are, like, there's a penny, right? I always look at, no. I'm talking about it from money for a perspective, right? If you're looking at a cent, 5 cents can be a cent. A cent is equivalent to what? 10 cents? What is any cent? Like what? How it has to be a numerical number on the cent, right? Or am I overthinking it? Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm converting it to a coin in my head because that's how my brain thinks of it when it comes to a dollar, like money. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We got this right now. Sense is what fraction of. Are you judging me by the time by the way you're asking me? One. Okay. Is that 200 cents you put? You put 100 cents, right? That's what you put. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 1 penny. So the way I think what I'm thrown off whenever people say cent is the word cent throws me off because we call in a banking world, at least we call cent like 5 cents or like 1 cent, which is a penny, 10 cent, right? So quarter is when it becomes a quarter after that. And those three of them are called a cent. So my head is like, which one are you talking about, right? Instead of simplifying it, 1 cent meaning like you could. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. There's 5 cents, by the way. There's 5 cents. Yeah, there's 1, 5, and 10, 25. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Mhm. 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 Yeah. Okay. I like this drawing out. So if you ask me any question regarding that now, I can answer. Mhm. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So 40, it's gonna, am I right? It's okay. 47 cents is what fraction of a dollar? Um, so I would say 53. Am I wrong? I'm wrong? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I have that out too. Eh, what I did is I subtracted 47 out of 100. Subtraction, you didn't say subtraction. We still in the fraction numeric and denominator, right? Numeric, what we was, so it's in a bigger scale though. You move that in a bigger scale. We're not doing 5/12 or anything. Now we're converting to a cent, and then yeah, okay, 47/100. Yeah, yeah. 7 months, seven, seven, 7 month is what fraction of the year, right? 7 month is equivalent. So we have 365 days in a year, right? So am I thinking and there's 12 months in a year, months. Yeah. So it's gonna be 7/12. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 I shouldn't convert it to a dates. Yep. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. 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 So that's 63 over 100. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. A fraction of a gallon. So 4/4 equals 1 gallon, 3/4 equals the question. So do we do a crisscross and on this? No? It could be it should be, oh yeah, I don't change the unit, okay, I don't change it. Okay. There are 4 quarters in 1 gallon, so that's going to be 3 over 1, right? Okay, hold on. Oh, hold on. So, hold on. 3, so 4 quarters over 1 gallon, right? Equals 1 gallon. So, quarts, okay, I guess. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what I said, 3 quarters over, did I mention that? Over 1? So, that's what I say, 3 quarters over 1 gallon. Am I wrong? So, you're saying don't change it. Oh my god. Am I supposed to say 3 over 4? So, but this is a throw off a little bit, right? So, let me explain this real quick. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, in 1 meter. Uh-huh. Oh, it's gonna be 63 over 100. I didn't convert it to a meter. It didn't ask me to convert it to a meter. It's just asking me if 100 centimeter is in 1 meter equals 1 meter, what is 60 centimeters? So 63 centimeters. So it's 63 over 100. It didn't ask me to change it to fraction. Yeah. Yeah. I got it. What fraction? Mhm. 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 Yeah. Yeah. So it's 3 over 4. Yeah. Okay. So we staying the rules of fraction, the 2 things that I've learned in there, right? I want the main thing. Don't ever change, the question could be manipulative, right, in my head. Let's say like 10 centimeter equal 1 meter. Okay, that's fine. It's just giving us the concept of that. What equals 1 meter, right? So if it's asking us what fraction of a numeric gives us a numeric number, we stay in the centimeter. We don't, our mind does not switch to like a meter, right? It's not asking us to convert the fraction. It's asking us to stay in the fraction space and then tell us the value of what 63 centimeter is. Yeah, that's mathematic word. Okay, got it. Maintain the unit. You say the part or the pod? Part, yeah. Mhm. So 100. David makes 150 a week. He spent 113. What fraction would stay in the fraction rule? What fraction of his weekly pays? What week's pays? I can't see the screen. Okay, what fraction his weekly pay? Stay in the weekly pay. 100 and so 113. He spent. Okay. So what fraction? 113 over 150. Thank you. Yeah. That. Yeah. Yep. You make it. You make it so simple, Caleb. I get so confused when simplest question that. Anyways, go ahead, Caleb. Thank you. 280 over 70. Hold on. Hold on. Barbara has typed 77 pages, right? Pages. And then of the report. That contains 280 pages. So 77 over 280. Ah, I love this calendar. Okay, go on. I feel like I'm gonna pass just if I keep going. I don't know. It's probably gonna be complicated as I go, but I was like, I got this. Okay, what did we go over first? Which one did we go over? What type of fraction did we go over? Oh, okay, okay. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. First type is proper. Is smaller. Uh-huh. That did not. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. Mm-hmm. You see what? What did you say? You're funny. Have you watched SpongeBob before? Okay, God. I will remember that. What improper fraction equals to SpongeBob? Okay, go ahead. Okay. You painted a picture, although it was a bit funny. You painted a picture of what it means. Like the top is bigger than the bottom, which is the numerator is higher amount or higher value than the bottom. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now let's go into this question. Oh, are you gonna send me this note that you're taking, or is this for you? Yeah, the one that you're actually like type like writing in. Can you send me as an image? Oh, okay, 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 good. Perfect. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. Okay. Two. Yeah. One, two, three. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, got it. Yes, sir. Let me. I want to make your screen bigger and then my screen smaller because it's the way it's showing is my screen is it because I'm talking with you? Okay. Okay. You're expanding it, so that's fine. So we have 9/6, correct? Okay. You want to know it's proper fraction. Hold on, hold on, hold on. No, hold on. No, that's improper fraction. Yeah, that is SpongeBob. Sorry. Uh, Proper fraction. The top is smaller than the bottom. The third one is number three, mixed fraction. Mhm. Uh, oh, yeah. It's equivalent. So to zero. You divide so 10 divided by 10 equals one, right? Oh my God. So I have to convert it um to a whole number. So that's going to be mixed fraction, right? So a whole number is just so by itself a whole number is just a whole number. We're not going to call. So fraction is when you're like there's a numerical on. Of course, I should know that. Oh my God. Okay. Why do I feel like I'm in third grade? Revisiting, even though I have a college degree. Anyway, damn it. Oh, that's going to be improper. No, I'm sorry, proper fraction because 15 is smaller than 16. No, that's a trick question. That's mixed fraction. That's a trick question. Definitely an improper fraction. Yeah. I think I'm good at this. I used to be good at this when I was in a smaller grade. You could just lower the amount, right? Divided by equal and so for example, right? Like when you divide the top number with like 2 divided by whatever it could gives you like a smaller number, right? You could divide it by through, but the denominator also needs to be divided by the equal number. So you could lower it up to a number. I think that was one of the things I used to be good at. Okay, good. Like that. I think this is going to be easy for me. Uh-huh. Mhm. 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 Yes. Yep. 100 and gives you a value. Mhm. Yep. Mm, yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yep. Mhm. 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 Yeah, I am. I'm here with you. Yes. You're cutting off a little bit. Yeah. So, yeah, let's do exercise because this is the thing this is like me refreshing my memory from like my childhood. Um, I'll tell you one thing I get so in college I struggled with. You know, like when you get into college, they test you and to see what level you are on. I didn't have to do algebra because I just came from back home, so I didn't have to do algebra. Like I don't have to do any of that. I tested high to statistic, and that was the hardest class I've ever because I hate statistic. It has language to it, right? You have to know what they're talking about. So this is the thing I struggled with, right? The rules. What comes like they give you. I think we're gonna go over it at some point. It's like the like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Which one comes first, right? Huh? Okay, good. Okay, now, okay, let's 16 over 12. So can we do 16 by 2? You want me to do it with my head or can I use calculator? Oh God, you're gonna kill me. Okay. Okay, just give me time. Let me just do. Okay. This is nothing. This is roll. Okay, and then another more. By 2 6. Demo 8 almost this. So this is right. So this. The end of any doesn't. Okay, the first one, is it 8 over 6? Right? And then you can, yeah, no, we have to go smaller to the smaller level, right? So now 4 and then 3. Okay. And then I can't go more than, because the top one I can divide into 2, but the bottom one I can't divide into 2. It becomes a fraction, right? So the value, okay, the value, okay. Up to, I could divide up to the amount, the number that could be divided. Okay, 32 now. Oh my God, I feel like I'm in 3rd grade again. Okay, 32 divided by, let me look at the paired, the table you gave me, and where did I? You know what? Oh fuck. Did you? Sorry, I said bad word. Okay. Did you end up sharing the image in here? Is there a way to share the image? That table? Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Just give me time. I'm sorry. Tutor, Caleb. Good. I have it. Okay. I have it right in front of me. 32, 36. Let me do by the smallest. 32. Let me do 4. 32. Can I do 32 here? The smallest is 4. Can I do bigger than that? Can I do bigger than that? 32. Okay, by 8. 32 divided by 32 divided by 8 is 4, and 36 divided by 8 is sorry, 36. Oh yeah, I can't do this. So okay, I'm just gonna go 36. 32 has to be by 4. Okay. So divided by 4, 32 is 8 here. Top 8, bottom will be okay, 8 over 9. Am I right? Yes, or both of them. Yeah, yeah. And then I can do, when they're an odd number, you can't divide it into the, like by 2 or something. It's gonna come 9 divided by 2. Oh, number 3. Number 3, I can do number 3. I can do number 3, I think. So 70 over 200. So if you do 70, hold on, let me look at the table quick. It gives me since you gave me a hint already, so I'm gonna do 70 by 10 would be divided by 10 would be equals to 7. And then 200 divided by 10 will equals 20. 7 over 20? Okay. Ah, it was, okay, number 4. That's going to be 14 over 42. 42, let me see, equals, let me see if I can find 14 and 42 in the same table. 14, okay, 42, okay. By 7, 2, by 7, 42 is going to be 6. So 2 over 6. I think that is a whole number. So so 2. Hold on. That I can do. Okay, 2 by 2. I can do by. Okay, so hold on. Then I'm going to be 14. Okay. By 2 is going to be divided by 2 is going to be 2 divided by 2. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3? 3? 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Because if I didn't have visibility to it, there's no way I could. I'm going to sit there and just count with my hand and stuff like that. Tell me. Okay. Mhm. Which one? Oh, okay. 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 Got it. Mhm. Mm, yeah. Mhm. Yeah, Friday. We have it on Friday. I'll try to give you another day, but I'm not sure on weekdays yet. Let's do just Monday and Friday for now. You're talking about the whole thing that we just learned today. Oh, okay, yeah, just to practice every day. Okay, 3 and 4. Okay, that's a homework. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, game on, sir. You probably would be like the hardest teachers, like this the most serious one. If you were my teacher, I'd be scared of you. My well, I mean, my ex has he's not my ex yet, but my child's father, he's from Kenya. So He's so, like the whole of Africa is very smart in terms of math. Like you guys can just take the test even after you graduate. You I don't know, you have a memory. And whenever like I grew up here, so when he met me, he would ask me a question like, or I would like I have to do a math problem. I was like, I'll look at him to give me an answer. He was like, "That's so simple, Elsa. Why don't you?" I was like, what is this country teaching you guys? I'm like, I don't know, but I lost all my math skills after I came here. You say you need to go back to the math. This is so simple. I was like, it's not simple anymore because they're making us use like throughout college. I used calculator for everything, you know. So that you remind me. Yeah. So when I first came, I went to a school and I used to tutor kids. Mind you, because they were so, I'm like, what is this? I just came out of sixth grade. So I came here and the teacher loved me because I'm like, what is this? They don't know how to multiply. I used to look down upon them, but now look at me after living here for like almost 20 years. Oh yeah. Yeah. And then they dumb you down by using calculator too. Like the school system is not like that. We were grilled back home. It's like you get whooped if you don't pass. They're like abuse, abuse, physical and mental abuse. Yeah, go ahead. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yeah, I can see it now. Hmm. Hmm. With five apples. So you multiply it, right? Yeah, you could do crisscross four times. Hmm. 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 Apple. Uh-huh. Okay. Do you do crisscross like four times 30 and five times the question mark, right? Okay, 5x. Uh-huh. Hmm. Yeah. You zero that out and then, yep, one divided. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, I remember that. Okay, I'm excited to do this this exercise. I feel like I'll do great on this. I'm not gonna toot my own horn, but you'll be the judge. Let's see. Think- yes. Question what? Which one? Okay. You're showing me 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, can you move it a little bit so I can take a screenshot? Just for my own. You have it. Yeah. No, no, just like that. So you're saying, yeah, yeah, there, stay there. You're saying do number 2, 3, 4, 5. What else? 4 to 10. Right now, okay, we're gonna do. That's what I was thinking. Like, are we doing anything? Okay, 9 over 10 equals whatever number over 20, right? So we're gonna do a crisscross, and then we're going to multiply 9 times 20 equals 10 times 10x, whatever you want to call it, right? Mhm. Uh-huh. Mhm. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay. 9 times 10 and then 10x. Okay. So now, oh, damn it. The multiplication. Hold on. I have to look at my. I have to look at the multiplication table for now to multiply 9 times 20. I can't even, I'm so irritated by. Oh, okay. That English means Samania. That's Samania, 80, right? No. Yeah. That English that English. No, that English Hulat Simmons 8. 9 times 2 is 8. So, no. Oh, 18. Oh my God, 8. You know, I lost my language too. Okay. 9 times 2 is okay. 180. That's what it is. And then we're gonna divide by 10. You cross the 10 out, 180. Oh my God, divided by 10. So, yeah, 18 divided by 10. That is yeah, yeah. Oh really? You cross the 0 out as 18 over 1, right? It- oh my God, yeah. I was thinking it. Okay. You cross 0 and 18. Okay, let me do the other one. I'm so mad at myself. Okay, so x equals 18 over 1, which is 18 in this case, correct? Okay, let me do another one. Maybe not. I'll take that back, what I just said earlier, saying I'm gonna do good. I'm not gonna do good. I don't think so. So okay, I want okay. 1 over 6 and then x over 18, right? So crisscross. I'm just gonna do crisscross because my head has learned crisscross. So then 1 times 18, which is equals to 18, then is going to be equals to 6x. 6x divided by 6 divided. I think this is a sum cross 6 out. So this divided by 7. So 3. 3? I think this is a smaller number. That's why I probably did good. But okay. You're expecting? Page 20. 20. Homework. Gracias, sir. What else? Sorry. I am. I'm also choking. So that's why. It's okay. Okay. I am. I'm always here. So we're changing what we're doing right now is we're changing proper fraction to improper fraction, right? Okay, so when change mix, yeah, okay, mixed fraction. Okay, so example is 2 1/4. Okay. 2/4. Okay. 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 I think I got 2 times 4. You want me to help you do this real quick? Okay. Okay, go ahead. Okay, here. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Oh, you gave me a lot. Okay, so One is, hold on. You're gonna give me time? Okay. Okay, good. I'm always rushed, so that's why. Okay. So now let me 5 1/3 equals. So you're saying A B over C equals A C times C plus B C. Okay. So 5 times 3 plus 1. Put in parentheses divided by 3. And then that will equals to plus 1/3. I'm still not on it. So this over 3. Do we need to? Okay, six. The first one is 16/3. Okay. Okay. 3/5. So now we're doing 4 times 3 parenthesis plus 3. Hold on. No. What I'm saying is that you're saying A times C plus B do not, and then divided by C. So what I'm doing is 4 times 3, I'm doing B. 4 times 3 plus 3 divided by 5. I'm sorry, 4 times 5. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah. 4 times 5 plus 3 divided by 5, right? So I'm saying Hamst plus 3 divided by 5, which in this case, cement divided by 5, 28/5. Okay. No, I'm saying oh my God. How do you know I was saying 25? Did you understand my language? Oh, okay. So, higher. Oh my God, that's why. I'm like, why am I getting, okay, 20 plus 3 is 23. And then over here, okay, it's 23/5. Okay, so number 3, I'm giving you 9/10 equals, so it's going to be 2 times 10 plus 9 divided by 10. I'm just going to 20 plus 9/10, 29/10 over 3. Number 4 is going to be, I can't see number 4 question. Okay, yeah, 12 1/4 equals 12 times 4 plus 1 parenthesis divided by 4. Okay, so let's go to Asraulet. Okay, 48 plus 1 equals 49 plus 4. 49 plus 4. Ah! Yes. Divided by 4. Thank you. This is easy, actually, right? Or it gotten easier for me. I don't know. Okay. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So next Friday, we're learning how to convert back from improper fraction to what? Hmm? Back. Thank you. Okay. Yes, sir. We can. Are we done today or no? Not yet. Okay. Okay, we'll do the math.